So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's unboxing my bag for school. Nasisira na siya, then let's unboxing. First, yung nasisira ay may dalawang ball pen. And then dito, let's open it. May ball pen ang laman. Ball pen and my lips and my all crayons. My all crayons. And then unboxing to the big one. Oh, I have my eyeglass, my eraser, and my roller. Meron din akong papel at saka notebook and another books from Governor Gwen Garcia provides for Cebu. Thank you, Gwen Garcia. And another book, and we have bond paper and books and wallet. Yan, book. Nasisira na siya, at least may laman. Hindi lang laman na maalog. And mini books. And we have another paper, papel. Yan guys, wala na yung laman ng ating box. Bye bye.